Hi everyone and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. The alternator in your car produces alternating current, also known as AC current, but in fact your car's electrical system runs on direct current, known as DC current. To make this happen, and in order to turn AC current into DC current, the alternator has diodes, which are connected into a part called the rectifier. Although it's a rare problem, the diodes can malfunction, and if this does happen, the alternator will work partially or will not work at all. In this video, we'll show you how to recognize the symptoms of this problem, so stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. The battery warning light flickers or lights up. The first symptom that will show you that you have bad alternator diodes is that the battery warning light will appear on the dashboard. On most cars, the warning light will in this case shine fully, while on some cars the warning light may flicker. In case of the flickering light, if it appears, it is almost a sure sign that the diodes are the problem instead of the, for instance, regulator, brushes, or else. Lower and fluctuating alternator voltage. After you've noticed the previous symptom, you'll probably want to check the alternator voltage. With bad alternator diodes, the voltage will either fluctuate all the time or will be constantly lower than normal. For instance, the voltage will be 13.2 volts all the time instead of the normal 14.5 volts. The battery runs flat all the time. Due to lower voltage, the battery will not be recharged properly, and this eventually leads to a flat battery. You will notice this as the car will occasionally have a weak crank, but over time you will not be able to start the car at all. Also, bad alternator diodes may cause a parasitic drain, which will also deplete the battery over time. Flickering headlights. The fluctuating voltage will also cause a symptom that you'll easily notice, and that is flickering headlights. When you turn on the headlights and you rev up the engine, the beams will pulse. When the engine idles, the beams will flicker. Electrical and electronic glitches in the system. Finally, bad alternator diodes may cause glitches in the electrical and electronic systems of your car. The frequent fluctuations in the voltage are the main cause of this. These glitches may manifest themselves as, for instance, warning lights coming up on the dashboard for no reason, various electrical and electronic systems suddenly going haywire, and so on. The solution for bad alternator diodes is to replace them. The diodes are usually sold together with the whole rectifier, and to replace them, you have to take off and dismantle the alternator. This is why most people decide to buy a new alternator and replace it completely, especially if the new alternator is not that expensive. Also, try to solve this problem as soon as possible, since it can eventually damage the car battery and the car's electronics. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps you solve the problem. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.